We make structural thermal composites for the most extreme environments in the world and thermal protection systems for deep space travel. There's nobody in the industry that can make thermal structural composites like we do. Essentially, every application that we engage in has to work 100% of the time. There's no room for failure. We have a good mix of engineers that have been here for many years, upwards of 30, and some that have been right out of college, 1 or 2 years into their career. So we're trying to get a good mix of intermediate, experienced, and young engineers that we can continue to support these programs.
Our engineering talent is incredibly strong, and being able to interface with the customers and the design authorities, like the Missile Defense Agency, is really, really important. So we're not just made-to-order parts. There's a lot of engineering work that goes into even our existing programs.
You talk to customers, and it's generally working with them with our capabilities to solve their problems. A good example was we had a customer, Johns Hopkins University. They came to us for a unique material as a titanium replacement, and we were able to offer them the 3D polymer matrix composite, and that saved them weight. It offered them some things that they couldn't get with a 2D composite. Well, I like the challenges, but I like the ability to gain new skills, the ability to flesh out who I am as an employee, the ability to impact my company.
It's not just a cookie-cutter type position, so every person in this company needs to be committed to that kind of creativity and spirit of innovation.
I'm Steve Violette, senior scientist, and I've been here 10.5 years. I've been involved in a lot of projects across our product lines, starting as a program engineer, doing more of the on-floor manufacturing coordination, transitioning into program management where I worked more with the customers and on new applications as well. I can tell people that I have probably the coolest job, the best one here at FMI. When you work in the composites industry, particularly I find in aerospace, you're really working on the future. That's the fun part of it.
Going forward as FMI, I think we're going to leverage those technologies to try to go into other markets or expand into those markets beyond what we've done traditionally. And that might be material development internally, and it also might be collaborative efforts with other composite industry leading suppliers that we can work with and do an integrated solution with a couple different types of materials, including what we make here.